Welcome to a video by Abron Export. This is a very special instrument, millikanoildropapparatus. So let me first of all explain you the parts. This is the power supply. Here we have the built-in power supply with the main power cord which is to be connected on the back side. And then this is a level for setting the level of this instrument. You can adjust the level. I can just show you there are 3 leveling screws on all the 3 sides. Before doing it, it should be exactly the balls. This should be in the center, and now I am doing it in the center, bringing it to the center. You just see, and then there is a meter here which is telling you the voltage and how much voltage is applied. The voltage can be reversed other way, and this positive voltage you can change it, the direction of the voltage. This voltage, this is a voltage regulator on off switch, and this also switches on the light. You just see the inside, there is one light here. You can see this is a light. I can switch on and off. Just show you, just see, light is falling from the side also. You can see this light is switching on and off. There now the inside there is one hole here for this is for putting the spray, or putting the spray of the oils. The spray will generate the very fine drops, and this top plate, there is another plate at the bottom. The 2 top plates are there. The one is having 1 voltage electrode, another is having a second. This is holding the setup here for cleaning and other thing. This is to be connected, and then what is there, this is a focusing. Once you do the focusing, there is two more points here. In this there is a 1 scale. You can focus that scale. Just let me show you first scale. This is now in focus. If you just turn it, make it, this becomes out of focus. See, this is out of focus now. Again back to the focus. You can adjust as per your eye. Just this is a focusing ring, 1 focusing ring for adjusting the scale. This is a focusing knob for adjusting the focus. You can adjust the knob and set the focus. Because this is a special microscope, the balls, let us say these are the drops of the, I show you as an example, these are the spots which is closer one, black one, these are the spots visible. Let us say these are visible. So they will be moving either on one direction, up or down. Because of the voltage, the speed will be calculated and speed will be governed by the voltage. The lower the voltage, the higher the voltage, the speed will be higher. And this is an atomizer. We open the bottle, put the oil in this. The one oil is provided, very fine oil is there, and we press it. When we press it, this front will give a spray. We put the spray in this, putting it, and then 1 spray or 2 spray, very fine, and then focus the spots. The light is falling at an angle, so you will find the spots very finely, very small, different droplets moving either one way or the other way. Then you have to adjust it so that you can adjust the voltage so that they are just almost stationary or just moving very slowly. Then you focus it again, focus any point or any one, and see how much movement it takes. How much on the scale you can see how much movement it is taking, and if you reverse the same voltage, it will start going to the other. So that you can, as per the charge, you can calculate. The stopwatch is provided, oil is provided, fuse is there, the atomizer is there, and this is the manual which is for general oil drop experiment, physics, modern physics instrument. Total voltage 250 volts, 5 watt output, 500. Lower voltage is from the 0 to 500. Positive and minus. So these are the parts. Total magnification 30x, and then these are the parts. Construction, droplet box is there. I have explained you. Sprayer mist is created, and these are the parts of the center box. In the microscope measuring section, how much power is there. These again same level, voltmeter, plus minus, regulation, on off switch, and then focusing, eyepiece, and box for charge setting, and then panel control is there, which is very easy. The whole principle of the instrument is provided. Then the manual you can calculate as per your books also. You can perform the experiment and then see that this is it. One voltage, one calculation is there. Full. Method of operation I have already told you. Bubble adjustable, level them, then turn on the focus voltage and clockwise, and then you can set up the division this, and then after that insert the box, oil straight, then precise movement can be done. So this manual will explain you the drop selection, how to move it, how to do it, how the voltage is to be, what is the calculation. Rest you can do as per your books. So these are the and adjustments are there. You can check out. This resistance is there. This circuit is there. Not much. You can in calculation how to do the calculation. You can do the calculations. This is observations. What is there? How much is the charge? Please visit the website. Share the videos, and this is abron01@gmail.com is our email. Another is info@abronexports.com. Website is abronexports.com. WhatsApp number is 9416020018. Please visit the website, share the videos, like the videos. Another instrument is also there for the Millikan oil, which is a different instrument. This is a different design. There, that is a different method for design for some other country. Please visit the website, share the videos, like the videos. Thank you.